I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Setting up a Cash App account is straightforward, and I'll walk you through the steps. Step 1. Download the Cash App. Start by downloading the Cash App from the App Store or Google Play Store. Step 2. Open the app and sign up. Once installed, open the app and tap on Sign Up. You will need to enter your phone number or email address. Step 3. Verify your identity. Before starting recovery, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Note, make sure to check your spam folder if you don't see the email right away. Step 4. Link your bank account. To use Cash App effectively, link your bank account by tapping on the bank icon and following the prompts. Step 5. Set up your cash tag. Finally, create a unique cash tag, which is your username for receiving payments. This can be anything you choose, as long as it is not already taken. Now you're all set to start using Cash App. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to ask. Happy transacting!